day pa. As Brownlee, Santillan.
Nice
Nakita
pass.
sa backdoor si Troy.
And they needed that. They needed to get Troy Rosario involved. You know, a big man helping out in the scoring.
8 na po. At yung laban dyan niya, huling-huli, TNT versus Ginebra. As Johnson hits a 3, itong Rain or Shine will have Titans sa May 8, Dr. J. So it's either tonight or against Titans.
Defense here of Rain or Shine. Napaganda.
Brownlee going to work again. Double digits na siya to.
Yeah. 10 puntos na. Another 3-point play in the offense.
14, it is Ginebra by 1. Scotty with some space. Makes a pay!
Diba yung pag pinapasahan ka, may puwang konti at saka yung pasa, eksakto sa kamay mo eh. So bibitaw ka na lang pag hawak mo eh.
Saka through the years, pinatunayan
Yeah.
ni Scotty.
Malupit ang galaw, solid ang pas, malakas ang hiyaw.
Brownlee has Manainta in front. JB do to work with. Turnaround jumper is good. May kasama pang foul.
Pero nakikita mo, he has to work to get his points. Napapagod siya kami, dribbles, DTF, shit. Noon, huli natin kasama yung all-star ko sa Bacolod.
Always a pleasure.
Another one!
Villegas goes 2 for 2.
Mas maganda pa linalaro niya dito kaysa kay, ano.
Well covered now by Torres. Back to Anton. That'll be a 4.
Go!
What a start for Anton Asisio. 2 for 3.
Si Kupa nga nagtitira sa 3-point shot. 2 out of 3, di ba? Plus 1 assist.
RJ again.
Yung pwede mong tawagan dahil nahawakan.
RJ with a space, and he is heating up in the second.
8 puntos diretso. Pag pumasok ang 3-point yan, talaga nakakatakot na player yun.
Karakot.
Ay walang hinto sa solid na laro.
First quarter, he goes to the spin. Nabitin. Rosario with a follow. May kasama pang foul.
Magaling talaga kumuha ng bola yan coming from the weak side. Mahilig kumatya.
Gusto nang bumawi ngayon na Rain or Shine. Does Ginebra have another one? Holt lights it up.
That's what I'm saying. If he's active, he's such a good shooter, high scorer.
Papasa pa nga sa Johnson out. Asisio for
Another
3.
one!
Pangatlong 3 na para kay Anton to go along with a 4.
Bawal sa kanya tumira ng 2 points.
Ayaw sa malapitan. 2 for 3. Bang! Ralph Koo picking up Koo. This time, hinabol ni Santi.
Always
Scotty.
Always passing yan. Well, put the ball on the floor. It's almost always going to pass.
Balik sa 13, abante na Ginebra.
Solid ang laban, malupit ang galaw, solid ang pas.
Magaling rin yan.
Koo galing din Lasal.
Hindi,
Lima na yan.
yan magaling yan. Kaya sabi sa'yo, madali ang best player of the game nito.
Sabi sa gustong kainin si Santi.
They're very, very fortunate today. Lahat ng mga tira nila, bitin na, no? Beating the shot clock.
Blackjack na ang abante rito. Yung katapat no?
Oh, meron pang foul. Kaya yan, buhay na dahil laki ng lamang mo eh. So madali.
Brownlee with a 40-piece.
40. Malaki na coaching. Oh,
Abarientos with a 3-point play opportunity.
no let up ang ginawa dito ng Barangay Ginebra. That time out at the 5-something mark, yun ang sinabi sa